Do you have TPMS or tire pressure monitor sensors on your wheels? You might want to watch this video because they could leave you stranded. Hey guys, Tanya and David with Outside by Side. Minus Tanya, of course. Today it's just me. I just wanted to let y'all know about an issue we've had in the past. We're running a tire pressure monitoring system, which is a great thing to have. One of the issues that we found is that the sensors that go on the stems are actually causing the stems to fail, causing us to have flat tires. So this is something that we addressed on our old camper, and I just wanted to go over some things with y'all today to show you what we do to get around it. So most of y'all, if you're running a tire pressure monitoring system on your trailer, which is a great thing to have, we currently have one on ours, and it comes with these standard stems. And one of the things that I've realized is that the sensor is heavy. And as the wheel is spinning down the highway, the centrifugal force from the weight of the stem is pulling outwards. And as that's going on, it actually causes the stem over time to wear or cut or leak right here, which is a failure point, which can cause you to have low tire pressure on the highway. We did experience a blowout one time because of this on our old trailer. And the solution that I've come up with to keep this from happening is to have metal stems installed, which would prevent the flex from the spinning of the centrifugal force of the weight of the sensor. So today I'm going to take my trailer over to a tire repair center and see if we can get some metal stems installed. So while I'm at it, I would also like to get the wheels balanced. A lot of people don't believe in balancing your wheels on your trailer, but I say, why not? It might make the bearings last a little bit longer. Also keep things from rattling around on the inside when you're on the highway. So we're going to get that done today too. So I'm here at my local roadside tire repair shop. This place is awesome. It's called Llantas. What they do is they specialize in flat tire repair. They sell used tires. It's a great place to mount and balance your wheels. They fix flats and they get it all done really quick. And so we're going to see if they can help me out today. As you can see, they're very busy and it's a little chaotic. But I can pull in and get this taken care of. So it's hard to believe that when you put on a tire pressure monitoring system with sensors, the whole reason to do that is to prevent you from having a flat on the side of the road. But in some situations, especially a situation that Tanya and I have been on twice in the past, is that the actual sensors can cause a flat tire or a blowout. And so this is just a precaution that I'm going to take to prevent this from happening in the future. So right now, what they're going to do is they're going to take all of my wheels off. We're going to replace the rubber stems with a metal stem. And while they're at it, they're going to go ahead and balance the wheels. And we're going to mount them back on. Like I said, we have a big trip coming up next to Colorado. And the last thing you want to do is be stranded on the side of the road, changing a flat tire or having damage to your trailer because of a flat tire. So we're going to get this taken care of now. We just got our trailer last year and it's fairly new. So one of the updates that the Grand Designs and Lippert is doing is they now have ABS brakes on their trailers on certain models. And you can see that by these red drums. The ABS brakes have a wheel sensor that senses the speed. It also has 2 power cables instead of 1. So that's kind of a new setup that I'm getting used to. And while we're down here, we're going to go ahead and inspect all the shackles and the springs. One of the things I would like to upgrade is the equalizer, and I would also like to put the wet, greasable shackles. That would be a good suspension upgrade that I'd like to do one day. So this is Juan, and what he's doing is he's removing the old rubber stem.
Ahí estos vatos trabajan.
A nice new metal stem. It's nice.
Vale, entra esa vasita que le agarré. A ver.
We're gonna go ahead and fill them up to 60. Make it pop. So now we have the new metal stem, and he's going to balance it.
Sí.
We check it for leaks.
Yeah, no problem in the water, right?
No, it's okay. No bubbles. See?
It's good.
All right. It's like NASCAR over here. You pull up, they got your car up on jacks before you can even get the window down. And they'll take good care of you. Nice. And now we're getting the computer balance. Good. Zero. So Tanya and I really appreciate y'all watching our videos. We just want to help prevent y'all having any roadside problems on the side of the road that could ruin your trip or your camper. Let us know what you've done with your stems, or if you've had any problems or issues in the past. Tanya and I would like to thank y'all for subscribing and watching our videos, and we'll see you on the next. Thank you for watching.